Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're all in the best health ever. In today's video I want to show you how I make this bread. First of all, what you're gonna need is you need 3 tablespoons of flour, and I'm going to add half cup of water into it. This is a Tangzong recipe. This recipe is Japanese or Korean recipe. I'm not sure about it. So what this recipe is gonna do for your bread is just that it's gonna make you achieve that soft and fluffy bread. This is what this Tangzong is gonna do for your bread. So in this pot I mix the flour and water together, then I put it on top on a stove. Yeah, we are going to keep stirring until the texture change to what we want. Keep stirring, guys. Keep stirring. As you can see, we are getting there bit by bit. So here we go, guys. This is what we want. This is exactly what we want, and I'm gonna set it aside till it is room temperature until I use it. Now this is our recipe. We need milk, we need flour, we need eggs, we need warm water, we need sugar, we need Tangzong as well, we need salt, we need yeast. Okay, if you want to see the full recipe, we need butter. If you want to see the full recipe, I'm gonna leave it in the description box below. So in this small bowl I added my yeast and I added my sugar into it. For your yeast to prove, we need sugar. So this is how I do it. This is the system that worked for me. I'm not a professional. For me to know that my yeast is gonna prove, I had to make it this way. If that's the way you want to do it, it's okay. But if you want to put everything together and just add your milk, and we are good to go. So I'm going to stir it together until it is well dissolved, and I'm going to set it aside. So next, I'm going to get in my bowl and just mix everything together, the flour, the eggs, the butter, and just mix everything together. There's nothing there's nothing strange in it. Add your salt and add your sugar. It depends on how you want it to be very sweet, because this is a bread with cheese. So just keep watching, guys, till you see the end result. Mix and add your Tangzong. It doesn't matter the time you had it or not. You can mix everything together from the beginning when you had your flour, your sugar and everything, and had your Tangzong and had your milk. But because I'm waiting for my yeast to prove, so that's why I'm seizing that opportunity just to mix this way. You understand what I'm trying to say? And now it is time to add our milk. I'm not going to add all the milk because checking the texture, because I have not had my yeast yet. When I had my yeast, I will check the consistency, if that's what I want. So keep stirring. I just keep stirring. So now it is time for me to add my yeast. You see, my yeast has proven this is what I want. For me to make sure that it is really proven. You understand what I mean? So just keep mixing everything together, mixing. So I'm gonna mix it in this bowl. It depends on what you want, but for me, because this table is where I put my laptop and work, I read on this table because there was no good lighting in my kitchen. So that's why I bring it into my bedroom. So don't laugh. This is my bedroom. So I just mix everything together. I'm not gonna mix it on that table. I'm gonna mix it on in the bowl. So if you're working on the kitchen counter, you can put it on your kitchen counter and mix everything together. Yeah. Yeah, keep kneading it, keep kneading it. So as you kneading it, you will see the change as you kneading it. Look at the texture. You know the texture is changing gradually, and yeah, we are close to what we need. As you guys can see, it's different. I'm sorry, my camera is shaking. I put it on the same table where I'm mixing, and I just don't know that it is shaking. So pardon me, guys, and watch it with love. Okay, we are almost there. We are almost there, guys. Keep kneading your flour. Keep kneading your bread. It's not flour anymore. So keep kneading it. So this is where we are going. We are almost there. Yeah. As you guys can see, the texture is different to when we first started. I'm just gonna, oil it and cover it. So I'm oiling it just because your bread doesn't become, when it will proof, it doesn't get dry, so you have to put oil over it. So now cover it with the cling film or keys or nylon, anything you want to cover your bread with, and just cover it with this. And we're going to leave it for 1 hour 30 minutes. So after that, your bread for sure has already proven. Yeah, here we go. Look at that. Our bread has proven so good so far. This is what we want, guys. It is what we want. So now I'm just gonna, do the necessity, because I'm going to divide it, and you see the texture, guys. Yeah, this is all we want. I'm gonna oil my hand so it does not become sticky. I'm just trying to divide it into the pieces that I want here. So that's what I'm trying to. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you guys the cheese I'm gonna use. I've already opened it before I remember. So I'm going to use Domti cheese. It's a normal cheese with olive taste. So I ended up using my table for it to divide it. So I spray flour on there, and I'm just gonna add the cheese middle. Okay, just because I don't have a roller pin, guys, just pardon your God. I'm just trying, so add your cheese in it, as you guys can see, and roll it. This is how I do it. This is how I do it. Okay, keep watching. There's not much stuff to do anymore. You just, because I've already divided it, so I'm just like, okay, put the cheese and just roll it. Put the cheese and just roll it. So now we are almost there. This is the last one. I added it in the middle. So I'm just gonna cover it with plastic bag, nylon, cling film again. So we're going to leave it for 30 minutes to prove. Yeah. Now after 30 minutes it has proven, so I'm just gonna put the eggs on it. I forgot the English. I'm just gonna, oh my goodness, so now I've put the eggs just to make it brown in time. So you need to make it with egg. I forgot how, subhanallah, I forgot, guys. You understand, good. So now our bread is done. We put it in the oven for like, I don't know the time. I just put it in the oven and keep checking on it till I achieve the color I want. So this is what I want, and guys, make sure you try this recipe. You will like it. That part is not brown because the cheese has come out and I did not glaze it with eggs. That's why it's white. So let's open it and see what we got, and it's time to taste. Let us taste it. Okay, this is our bread. It doesn't look but I will show you another one for you to make sure that your girl is a chef. I've been telling you guys for a long time that I'm a chef, but you don't want to accept that your girl is a chef. Okay, I don't know where I've gone to, like seriously. Okay, this is the second part, and I want to show you because the other one is not brown on top. So this is it. So this is it, guys. This is our bread and the cheese inside. Yeah. So this is what Tangzong have done for your bread. That is the cheese inside, as you guys can see. But at night, I see that, okay, I need to give you guys this look. Did you see it? This is what we want. You see how your bread comes back. It bounces back. This is what Tangzong have done for your bread. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys next time in my next video. Thank you so much. Peace out.